and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be trying like a very gimmicky item. I went to Discount the other day just to see what they had, and I came across the 3D Silicone Blender. Now it says non-absorbent, use less makeup. It's from CALA. It looks like this. And I thought, how on earth, this thing doesn't expand or anything, so it's very tiny. And I mean, like tiny. I'm going to be using this thing for an hour to try and get my foundation on. So I thought I would give it a try and see if it works. It says that you use less makeup. So it's cruelty free and vegan. So we're going to be trying that out. Sorry about the lighting being so dark. It's raining outside, which I kind of love because it's been so hot. It's still hot, but at least it's a little bit cooler. So yeah, let's get into the video. Okay guys, so I'm just going to clean my face with a makeup wipe just because I'm so sweaty all the time now. Oh, I scratch the living crap out of my skin if I see any bump or anything. I know it's a bad habit that I need to break, but yeah, we all have these. Okay, so I've got my beauty blender here just in case this sucks, because I need to go and work afterwards, so I can't go with a freaking face that looks like. So yeah, I'm going to put some moisturizer on. I'm just using the Neutrogena Hydro Gel. And then I just put a little bit of sunscreen in it, even though it's raining. You know, my rather too much than too little. And then I just wipe it together in my hands and put it on. Okie dokie. So now, what I'm going to do is, let me prime my face just with a little bit of pore filling. I think I'm just going to take the MAC Prep and Prime. Now my hands are a little bit wet. Okay, the MAC Prep and Prime pore filling stick just around my T-zone, just to fill in a little bit here, because this is like what I normally do, so we can see if this thing works or not. Into my, I just go over my wrinkles as awkward. Yeah, at this age I need all the help I can get. Okay, so I'm just gonna go in with my normal foundation, the Camouflage that I use like on a daily basis. I'm a little bit nervous. Okay, so let's dig into it. It says here 3D Silicone Blender. This was 75 rand or so, by the way, which is not like actually cheap at all. So use half the amount of product for a full amount of coverage. Wash with soap and warm water, and yeah, that's about as good as it gets. The tip they say it's for precise application, broad coverage. Now I don't know how broad this is going to cover, because can you guys see how tiny this thing is? And it feels very sticky. But look at this. Oh, your mommy, he's so tiny. I'm going to be sitting here blending for freaking ages, but okay. This feels so like sticky. Oh, like sticky-ish. This is very odd. Look, it's got little glitters in though. It's very cute, but I'm just like, what the hell? Okay, let's go. So I'm going to use the back side, and I'm literally just putting a little dot like that on. Let's see. This is probably just going to smear it all over my face, like, to be quite honest. Let me just. Okay, this is making a serious freaking mess, guys. Look how it's just smearing. This thing just like literally smears the product around on your face. Okay, let me take some of that. It doesn't say wet, because I mean silicone's not gonna. Oh my goodness, guys, this is looking terrible. Let me take this flat side. Okay, that works a little bit better, but it's still looking terrible. Can you guys see how this is blending? It's like I'm literally not pushing it into my skin. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness, this is awful, guys. Can you guys see? I don't know if you guys can really see on the camera. Let me try and put the light down a bit. There we go. Can you guys see how this is like freaking destroying my... This is even worse than like those all-time... Well, that one little bit, okay. The thing is, it does look okay, but you have to blend the living shit out of yourself, and it does look very patchy. I don't know, I'm just gonna go with my blender. Like I said, I can't. This is awful. Like it doesn't push the product into your skin. Okay, I'm gonna try on my cheek now, just to give it another chance. Okay, let me show you guys. So you put it on, and this is what happens. Now you literally just, you can see like my pores, it doesn't go into it, it just literally sits on top of it. You have to like push hard. Even on my cheeks, I have a pore filling primer on. Look at these holes. Can you guys see? Let me put the light just a little bit down. Can you guys see how terrible this is? It's so freaking patchy. I'm not even gonna carry on with this. I have to like smack this thing on my face, and it's not going into my... Man! No. Jeez, that's terrible, guys. That's really terrible. Oh my word. Why? Who made that? And okay, I don't normally like give straight off bad reviews, but who the F and hell made this thing? They need to be fired. If they approved that, you actually get better coverage from just using your fingers. Like, let me just use my fingers just to... Okay, so I'm using just a little bit. Okay, so look at this. You kind of like use so little, way less than you put on with that blender, and you can get a much better coverage with it. Do you guys see? It's a little bit messy, but if you're really poor like I am, actually, I was gonna say like I used to be, but I still am, that'll work for you. No, I'm sticking to my beauty blender. This is not working. For 75 Rand, that's just crazy, guys. I'm just going to put my foundation on and like the normal way, because I have to go out and I'm not looking like a freaking clown. I'm sorry. That's going straight into the bad bin. It shouldn't even be in the bad bin. That should just go into the freaking trash can. That thing is insane. No man. So disappointing, because CALA's got quite nice like beauty blenders and stuff, like the normal soft ones. So I'm wondering what the freaking hell went wrong there. Maybe there's a new employee that said, oh, I have an idea, let's make a silicone one. And he probably got fired after that. That's why the products are coming to South Africa, because South Africa always has the freaking load of kapgoed, all the leftover shit we get 2 years later. Okay, so I'm just gonna cut my losses there. Put my foundation. Look at this thing, guys. I mean, I don't even know what else to say. I'm like speechless at how shit this is. back in again just to say bye and everything, guys. Okay guys, so my makeup's on and I'm just gonna clean this thing and put it back in. Oh my god, you can't even clean it with a wet wipe, but it's so sticky. Anyway, let me just clean it. This thing, I don't even know what to say about it. I freaking hate it. I don't normally go so hard on products, but this thing is a waste of time, guys. I can't even say, there's not even one nice thing, because it didn't use less foundation and it just freaking sucks. If you want to use less foundation, use a brush. You're gonna get a better effect from that. So this is just going freaking I don't know where, but it's not going into my collection. But thank you guys so much for watching, and if you like this video, this me testing out funny things, give this video a thumbs up if you've watched till now, and I will see you guys in my next video.